Learn how to grow your own radish from seed with MayFord seed. In this video, we're using the MayFord Easter Egg 2 radish variety, but these tips work for most radish. Just remember to follow the instructions on your seed packet for the best results. Firstly, sow your seed directly into the soil. Cover the seed lightly and press down. After about 10 to 14 days, your seedlings will look like this, and it will be ready to be thinned out. Pull the seedlings out to leave 5 cm spacing between each radish. This will give each radish enough space to grow. After about 30 days, you can start harvesting. Radish is such a quick grower and easy to pull out of the soil. Enjoy your beautiful and colorful harvest.